Do you have problems with your roof? Don't go up on a ladder. Call JK18 Roof Specialists. This video is brought to you by Brinkman and Chitaliano. He's talking.
But he never said anything about one day you're going to have a house and you're going to be doing the same thing.
Please call 1-800 Go on your roof. Do you like to drink beer? Well, don't drink beer before you go on your roof, because water is not included. He's cleaning his gutters. That's about as equivalent as washing your driveway.
Really doesn't seem to be flowing down there nicely.
What's your flow like? So this is brought to you by Rubber Hose, Fiberglass Ladder, Brinkman, Sterling, Screened-in Enclosure. Thanks for watching. Hit like, hit subscribe, and if you want your gutters cleaned, message JK18.